Hi, I'm Reuben Saltzman with Structure Tech Home Inspections, and today I'm going to share with you how jacked up the whole insurance system is with replacing roofs that have hail damage. So let me start off by telling you I'm a home inspector, and I have completely given up all hope of trying to assess hail damage at roofs. Now, that's not to say when I see hail damage, I'm not going to report it. I see hail damage all the time, and it's usually pretty easy to spot. There's damaged shingles, that's fine, but my beef is when I have roofing salespeople who come along after the home inspection and they get up there with a microscope. I don't know what they use, but they tell homeowners that they got hail damage. And this has happened to me numerous times, where I get a complaint call as the home inspector. I come back out to a home where the homeowner's mad and says, you missed hail damage. My roofer told me there's hail damage. And if I had known there was hail damage, then I would have told the seller, yada, yada. You know how that story goes. And so I get up on the roof, I look at it, I get down on my hands and knees, I crawl around, and the roof looks perfect. I mean, if there is hail damage, I'm not qualified to spot this. I'm telling you, the roof is fine. It's going to last a very long time. And I've even heard of situations where you've got the roofer and the insurance adjuster up there screaming at each other, one saying one thing, the other saying the other. They're arguing about this. That's how not a big of a deal this is. So I don't even try to assess it when it's little stuff. Big dings, sure. I put that in my report and I tell people that the hail may have lowered the life expectancy of the roof. It surely will have lowered the life expectancy, but that's what hail does. Hail does not cause roof leaks. I've never seen a roof that had hail damage to the point where it was going to cause a leak. I could think of some scenarios that could happen if you had maybe softball size hail where it could punch some holes in some really fragile roof vents, but otherwise, this is not an immediate threat. It lowers the life of your roof. That's all. So my whole beef here is that there are a lot of insurance companies out there where once they decide that there is hail damage, they will pay for a new roof. And that's why I call this winning a new roof. You can have a roof that's 20 years old. It's toast. It's ready for replacement. But then you get a hailstorm that comes through and the insurance company ends up replacing the entire thing. And my problem with this is that we all pay for this. There is no such thing as a free lunch. Any accountant will tell you this. We all pay for it. And it's a bunch of crap when you got people who have 20-year-old roofs winning brand new roofs that we all pay for because, well, it inflates all of our insurance costs. And something that insurance companies are starting to do now is they're starting to no longer pay the replacement cost for a roof. They're starting to pay what's called actual cash value. And they're doing this on roofs that are 15 years old and older, where they send out a notice, they say, hey, we're no longer gonna replace your roof. You just get actual cash value. And it's a much smaller amount. So if you have received some inconspicuous notice in the mail, they don't advertise this. They don't make a big deal about it. And my friends over at All Around, they made a video kind of showing you how to identify this in the mail. But I'm telling you, watch out for that because it might hit you by surprise. But I'm also telling you that I support this. I think that this is a good thing, and it means that everybody is going to start paying less money in homeowners insurance costs because of it, and I applaud it. All right, that was my rant for the day. Not a whole lot of educational content for today, but still, I'm passionate about this. All right, thanks for watching. Take care.